Oh, feet. Flipping your feet, you go get to the floor. Legs like water, jumping, dancing, throwing around the post. Scream. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. Live out of these waters. What would I pay to spend a day more on the sand? Bet your own
Ayan yung nanay, stage mother.
My questions and get some answers. What's a fire? What's the word? When it's my turn, what I love to explore and shore up out of the sea.
Ganun-ganun pa yung boses nila.
Wish I